Hi everyone, and welcome to our new module. This is our module on Microsoft Excel. This is a spreadsheet application, and I'm just going to kind of briefly go through the module for you. This module is going to be very similar to the Word module in that the layout of it, there'll be a lecture part one, then a project one, and then a lecture part two, then a discussion assignment, project, and quiz. So very similar. This is the video that you're watching now. What's due when gives you the learning outcomes for this module and a link to the full course calendar and what's going on in this module. Here's the first lecture. I'd like to encourage people, there's 3 different things here that you should watch, so please make sure that you're watching all of them. Getting through the material for all of them is essential to being successful in the projects and assignments. And here is our first Excel project. Just like with the Word project, it's preceded by a video. So the video will demonstrate everything that is listed in the project instructions. So again, I encourage you to watch that. Then we have our second lecture. And you'll see there's 3 different links here. In the first link, you go to this website and just scroll through. I wasn't really happy with the material on formulas and absolute versus relative cell reference and who knew it. So if you go here and you just scroll down to videos number 13, 14, and 15, it's just a different website, GCF Learn Free. It's a really good website to go through that material. And then there's 2 additional lectures there, video lectures, and who knew it. Just like our other modules, we have a discussion and you have the assignment. Remember, you can do the assignment again to get a higher grade if you want. I'll take the highest grade. Excel Project 2, right? Again, there's a video. Make sure you watch the video. You know, you might want to review the project instructions first and then watch this. In the first Word project I graded, some people had left some things out. I think if you watch the video, that's not going to happen. And lastly, we will have a quiz in Excel. There's nothing in this folder now, but there will be when the quiz opens. Okay. So I'm just going to go to our course calendar. So, you know, summer courses are tough. It's a pretty ambitious schedule. So you can see here, sorry, our first project is due here on Tuesday the 11th. And then on Thursday, the 13th, the discussion post will be due and the assignment. And then on Friday, the discussion response and the project. And then our quiz will be open both Friday and Saturday. If anybody has any questions or problems, I'm very responsive to email, so please email me. But if you do email me, you have to check your T-Wolves email for my response. Okay, remember, it's an online course, so it's really important that you're checking your email. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. And I think there was one other thing I just wanted to, I forgot to show you. I'm just going to go back into our learning module for a second. You know, the very first, in the Excel lecture part 1, the very first link here is what is Excel and what is it used for? This is a video that I created. And so that's really the place that you need to start, because a number of you have used Excel and a number of you have not. And some of you have used it for very specific purposes. So that really talks a little bit more about the different types of things you can do with Excel. So really, that's a good place for you to start. Okay, any questions on this module? As always, please let me know.